Hey friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of elegant hand embroidery designs for dresses. All of these hand embroidery designs are unique, creative, beautiful, easy to make, and at the same time they give a very stylish and modern touch to the today's latest and recent trends of hand embroidery design. The beauty and creativity is vast in its concept that you can use these very beautiful patterns of neckline embroidery onto the designing of your necklines of shirt, kameez, kurti, designer blouse, gown, and different type of stylized patterns of your top. And even you can embroider these patterns onto your t-shirts, sleeveless tops, and sweatshirts or different type of other tops that you are going to wear along with your Eastern as well as along with your modern, Southern, and Western wear. So, guys, on our daily basis, we try our best to share designs, beautiful ideas, creativity with the lovers or with the community of hand embroidery, handwork, thread work. So, we never intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and intent of making videos and sharing creativity with you is to share some design patterns of hand embroidery. Like you can make different stylized patterns of these very beautiful patterns of neckline along with the usage of exact color combination of the embroidery threads in order to get the exact outlook or output of the design or the dress that you have made. So guys, now I'm showing you apart from kurtis, now we are sharing different type of stylized patterns of medium length, short length, front pleated kurtis, or you can also say them modern style embroidered frocks. So all of these are creativities with the help of hand art, that is embroidery work, and you can also get stylized ideas of stitching also in this context and in this video. So stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe because your love and support is the only way through which we can grow. Thank you so much once again. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos.